Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna scoot a little closer to the music, right? Then I'm gonna scoot far away so you can hear me, right? Yeah. Yeah. Let's get it on. Yeah. What? Okay. Yeah, let's get it on. Man, I gotta get this cash, I need some more. And got big girl booty over there, and the shit is like a table with a chair. Damn, she got a lot of groceries in her fucking cart. And I'm not stealing pictures, but I am a Mozart or a Beethoven. When the composer come on, the music that come on, then ready, I'ma get on. Cause I gotta get it. And everything I do, I gotta split it with other niggas. So damn, I'm like, am I the boss or I'm pitching? Or am I a worker or a flunky or am I living? So I need to get it on, like I got to move on, I got to get it like I am on already. Kiss that fake it to make it shit. It kind of worked a little bit, but you know I'm hella bent. So get it. What? 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 Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Yo. Uh-huh. Yeah, say it one more time for me. I need to get it on. What? I need to get it on. I need to get it on from my city. Any city I live in, I get it for them digits. I get it for the counties. I'm in them little tiny cities, man, it's just no surroundings. All it is cops. So you know when on how a woman farmed in the good thing we got is a Cleveland Cavalier. The Buckeyes there, the Buckeye cheers. The winner cries little nutshells with Buckeyes ears. The sweetest chance in the Rose Bowl, dog. But in these little cities, dog, don't you know you get it on? There's so much money in these places. And if you get fast, up and side down faces. Yeah, two-faced niggas. You want to sit it on. Whoa. Yes, sir. Yeah. Uh-huh. I said get it on. I need Dayton to get it on. Cleveland, Cincinnati, get it on. I need St. Paris to get it on. I need Grove City to get it on. Desi Bus, I need to get it on. Yes, sir. Get it on. Everybody in Ohio better get on. Yes, sir. You know we gotta get it on. I don't know what y'all think y'all doing. But you're rocking with the best right now. And the best right now. Chill. Hey, DJ Khaled never lied when he said he was the best. He said we. So I guess we are the best. Yeah, y'all need to get it on for real. Check me out. Huh? Something to sit on. Ladies only to sit on.